Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is octal number system. In this class you will be understanding how to represent decimal numbers into octal numbers. As well you will be learning how to convert decimal numbers into octal number system, that is a conversion, how to do it. Okay, let us start the class. So you know what are the basic symbols of octal number systems? Of octal number system, basic symbols are 0 to 7. These are the basic symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are known as basic symbols of octal number system. If the decimal numbers are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be their octal numbers? It will be same 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. For 4 decimal, the octal is also 4. For 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So for till decimal 7, the octal is same because the basic symbols are 0 to 7. From 8, how it is written? Again, it will be 0 to 7. Every time 0 to 7 will be repeated. Here the series is 1. It is a new series. Suppose if the decimal numbers are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, what will be their corresponding octal numbers will be? See this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a series of 1. I hope now it is clear. You can easily write any decimal into octal. Okay. So the basic symbols are 0 to 7 and for the next series you have to put 1. Suppose now for 16, what it will be? It will again start from 0 with the series of 2. What will be 17 now? 2, 1. So 0 to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 with the series of 2. Okay, like this. And now what will be decimal 24 in octal? Again it will be 0, 1 with a series of 3 now. So what is octal number? It is 30 for decimal 24. So in this way you can easily write decimal into octal. The basic symbols are 0 to 7. After 7 again 0 to 7 with a series 1. Again 0 to 7 with a series 2. Again 0 to 7 with a series 3 and so on. Okay. Let us now see how to do conversion from a decimal number to an octal number. So let us start the first question. Convert 247 base is 10. So it is what type of number? Decimal number system. Convert 247 decimal into octal. This is a given question. So what is the solution now for this? So what is the requirement in the question? You have to convert 247, a decimal number, into its equivalent octal. Octal base is 8. How to do it? So divide 247 by 8. Divide 247 by 8. What is the quotient? And what is the remainder? Note it down. Okay. So by dividing 247 by 8, the quotient is coming to be as 30 and remainder is 7. And now divide this 30 by 8. 30 by 8. What is the quotient now? The quotient is 3. Remainder is 6. Now divide this 3 by 8. What will be the quotient? 0. Remainder is 3. So you got this number 763. Read the numbers from bottom to top. So what will be the solution now? So 247 decimal is converted to, you have to read it from bottom to top. So the answer will be 3, 6, 7 in octal. I hope it's easy to understand how to do the conversion. Let us do the second question. Convert 0.6875 decimal to octal. Convert this one. What you will do now, it's a fractional part is given. For fractional part you have to multiply. For integral part you have to divide by 8. So solution start. What is the given question? It is asking you to convert 6875, a decimal number, to its equivalent octal number. So multiply it by 8. 0.6875 into 8. How much it will come? It will come as 5.5000. So take this remainder on the other side, or the MSB bit, 5 to the other side. Now this part, the fractional part, multiply again by 8. How much it will come? It will come as 4.40. Now take this 4 and keep it on the other side. You got all zeros, so no need to multiply by 8 in the next step. You can stop it here. How to read the answer now? You have to read the answer from top to bottom for fractional. So what will be the answer now? 0.6875 in decimal is converted to 0.54 in octal. Okay. So you have seen how do you do for integral part and for the fractional part. Let us now go for the third question. Convert 3287.510098 decimal to octal. You have to convert it into octal form. So now it's having integral part as well as fractional part. So first start, what is the given question? 3287.510098 decimal to its equivalent octal. So first integral part, write the integral part, divide by 8. What is the integral part here? This part is known as integral. So 3287. Divide this one. 3287 divided by 8, as it is an octal number system. So what is the quotient coming? Quotient is coming as 410. And what is the remainder coming? Remainder is coming to be as 7. Now whatever is the quotient, divided by 8 now. What it will come? It will come as 51. The remainder is 2. Now divide this 51 by 8. The quotient is coming to be as 6 and the remainder is 3. Now divide this 6 by 8. The quotient is 0. The remainder is 6. How to read it now? From bottom to top. So what is 3287 in decimal coming to be in octal? 66327 in octal. Okay. Let us now do the fractional part. How to do the fractional part? multiply it by 8. Fractional part. What's the fractional part given? 0.510098. This is a decimal fractional part given to you. You have to multiply now. So multiply 0.510098 multiplied by 8. What it is coming? 4.0800784. So take this integral part 4 on the other side and now multiply this number 0.00784 into 8. So it's coming to be as 0.64006272. So take this one 0 and write it on this side. Multiply this one again 0.64006272 multiply by 8. It will be coming as 5.1250176. Take this 5 here. Now multiply this one 0.125016 into 8. You will be getting as 1.0001408. You will be getting it as 1. For the fractional part, you have to read from top to bottom. So 0.510098 in decimal is written as 4051 in octal. So for the integral part you have to divide, for the fractional part you have to multiply by 8. Why 8? Because it is an octal system. If it is binary, you have to divide by 2 and multiply by 2 here. Okay, so depending on the number system you have to write it. So what is the final answer coming to be here now? 3287.510098 in decimal is converted to 6327.4051 in octal. Okay, this is how we do the conversion. I hope it is clear. You can solve it. The next question, do this question as practice. Convert 4500 decimal to an octal. You can easily do it. The answer for this will be coming to be as 10624. Please verify it and check it whether you have understood the topic. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.